Hi, lovelies. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. Thank you and welcome once again to Habenero's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you this delicious seafood oilless okra soup. Let's get right into it. I'll start by blending onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, green bell peppers, some scallion. I'll add aniseed, water, and then blend it until it is very smooth. I'll first begin to steam my seafood, so I've nicely washed my crabs. I have my fresh tilapia here. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'll add in salt, and then I'll add in some of the blended vegetables. I'll reserve some for when I'm making the soup. I'll cover it and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add in my nicely cleaned shrimps. You can use any type of seafood you prefer, and then I'll give it a gentle stir. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for another 7 minutes, and then I'll remove it from flame. Into my pot, I'll add in dried herrings, my salted fish, locust bean, and then chopped onion. I'll add in seasoning cube, and then I'll add in some water. Cover it and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. You can cut your okra in any size or shape you prefer, and you can use any tool you prefer as well. I'll be using my food processor today to chop it to save me some time. So yes, use the food processor if it's available. Now my soup has boiled for about 10 minutes. I'll go ahead and add in my okra, okay? And then I will gently stir everything together. I covered it for about 5 minutes and then I was checking it from time to time. This okra recipe was inspired by one of my YouTube sisters here, exhibiting mommy's recipes. Thank you so much for always sharing my videos, for always commenting, and thank you for your support. I called her some time back to mail me the green leaf that I just added to the soup, and she was so welcoming. Thank you for going above and beyond, Lena. I really appreciate you. God bless you so much. So after cooking my okra for 5 minutes, I added in my minced jute leaf or ayoyo leaves, and then I allowed everything to cook together for 7 minutes before adding in my crab and shrimps, my tilapia, and then my smoked mackerel. I'll add in some habanero pepper for extra heat. And then I allowed it to boil for a good 5 minutes and my okra was done. You can adjust the salt to your taste as always. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And of course, I'm enjoying this with my banku. You can enjoy this with eba or anything that you can enjoy your okra with. This seafood okra turned out really good, and I hope you're inspired to try this recipe and give me a feedback. Please kindly follow me on all social media platforms on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube Shorts at Habenero Recipes. Thank you. God bless you for staying with me until this time. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.